So this is the final results of the hairstyle that I did the tutorial on. So I turn around so you can see it. I did add these little like rows of crystals that I had. I don't even know where I got them from, but I just added them in with a hairpin in the back. And I had these little clear rhinestones that you kind of twist in your hair that I showed you in the previous video. I added those in the ponytail actually of my hair. So I turn around so you can see the back of it. And I'll add some pictures at the end of this video because I know the ponytail is kind of long, so you probably can't see the end of it. But these are the little rhinestones that I added in my hair. You just twist them in your hair. And I actually did add a little curl on the end of it, of my hair, like I told you all that I was going to do. So yeah, so that's the way it came out. I actually ran out of my edge control gel that I normally use. And I used a different kind on my hair, and it did not hold my hair as well as the other one. So it's a little bit frizzy, just a little bit frizzy on the sides, but it'll do. I know this hairstyle is not going to last long. Knowing me, I said I was going to let it last for about 3 weeks, but knowing me, I'll probably end up taking it down. Probably next week and redoing something else, maybe. I don't know. I might try to squeeze 2 weeks out of it. But anyway, the outfit that I have on today, I was having this denim dress, wide tail dress, it's denim. And I decided to put it on with the neon pink set that I did. If you follow me on my Instagram page, be sure to follow me on Instagram. The link is in the info box. You probably already seen this set. I think I posted the handbag video on YouTube, I believe. I think I did, but if I didn't, I will soon. And I decided to design some shoes to go with as well, which you'll see I'm going to wear those this morning as well. But the dress, like I said, it's a denim dress. I have on the belt, also the pink belt, neon pink belt, that was in the video as well. On this hand, I have these pink bracelets. I don't know where I got them from. I have no idea. I've had them for a while, so I don't know where I got these from. And this hand, I have the pink bow, ring, and bracelet connected together that you've seen so many times before in the past. I decided to wear it. I got this at a boutique where I live called S&P Jewelry. And the necklace set, it's like a neon pink. It looks like plastic, but it's actually like a chain, but it's pink, neon pink. I'm not quite sure. I think I ordered this offline off eBay a long time ago. I can't really remember, but I decided to wear it today as well. So the handbag that I showed you a while ago, this is the handbag. So I decided to take it today. And the shoes, these are the shoes that I actually designed. I told you all I was going to do a pair of shoes to go with the set. And these are the shoes. I posted the video on Instagram already, but I haven't posted on YouTube yet. But I'll post the video on YouTube. And I love the way the end of these is made open toe. And it's pointed. And these shoes are like a, I don't know if it's showing on camera like that, but these shoes are a very, very bright neon pink shoe. And it has a zipper on that side, a gold zipper. So I decided to keep the shoes with just the diamonds on it because I'll probably be wearing this set with several different things, and I didn't want to add a face on it, on the shoes this time. So I just did the diamonds on it to match the handbag. You can see it's pretty much the same color. It goes very well with the handbag. So I'll be wearing those this morning as well. So yeah, so that is pretty much, oh, I also have on some pink, like bright pink fishnet stockings, and they have like these little circle design, like polka dot designs or something, and you'll see it. Hopefully you'll be able to see it in pictures at the end of this video. So yeah, so that is basically it for everything. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.